2, 1. Alright, hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today, I'm playing with my friend. Say hi.
It's good, guys.
Alright. So, we're gonna be showing you a trick to get into the house without the key. Let's go. Alright. Follow me. Hold on, I need a flashlight. I can't see. Let's go.
My bad.
Oh my god. Alright, so the way is kind of tricky to do it, but you'll get the hang of it. Alright, so first, you're gonna want nothing in your hand. So you hold. Okay, so first you gotta stick your hand in the keyhole. Stick both of your hands far away. Push yourself in, and keep pushing yourself like this. And when your hands get stuck like this, stretch it out, and then pull. And pull yourself.
How the hell are you doing? Boy, you didn't even get a backpack.
And it also works when you have a backpack on. If you have anything in your hand, it will not work. I'm through. Just like that. What's up, bro?
Help me! I'm stuck in the washing machine.
Bruh. That's how you get through the thing without the key.
Wait, what happens if I'm stuck? I'm stuck! Help me, brother. Oh, shoot. Oh, get your stuff.
Alright, come back. Oh, Smile, I think I might be stuck.
Oh, shoot.
You better not have lost my ray gun, I swear, Jaden.
I already saw your ray gun.
Jaden! Stop. Whoa. My arms hurt. I'm already tired of doing this.
Here's a flashlight.
Oh my god, why are you doing that?
You're stuck.
I'm stuck. Move out my way. I can't see where you put that in my eyes. Yeah. Come on.
Oh, damn.
What?
Alright, here's your ray gun.
Shut up.
Middle.
Take that back.
Hey,
So
where's my heavy ball?
So
Where's my heavy ball? Oh.
Shut up. So and this is how you get through the door without the key. Season pass.
What, didn't you already show?
Alright, so that's the end of the video. Alright, let's say goodbye.
You better like and subscribe, and remember, I always be a low-key chill guy. Goodbye.
Yeah, whatever he said.